Think you're a Disney expert? Let's put your knowledge to the test. In this video, we'll show you 25 extinct Disney World locations. Some you'll recognize instantly. Others might challenge even the biggest Disney fans. You'll have 5 seconds to guess the locations before their name is revealed. Keep track of how many you get right, and let us know your score in the comments. Are you ready? Let's dive into the magic of Walt Disney World. Visions of tomorrow and the smell of oranges. That was Horizons in Epcot. Take flight on a Caribbean adventure. You were soaring on If You Had Wings. Neon lights and quick bites. That was the electric umbrella in Epcot's Future World. If you dove in a Nautilus submarine, you were on 20,000 leagues under the sea. Up, up, and over the Magic Kingdom, you were boarding the Skyway to Tomorrowland. 5 gone forever. Are you nailing the nostalgia or scratching your head? Lights, camera, action. You were traveling through film history on the Great Movie Ride. Slides, rope swings, and natural springs. You were splashing at River Country. Terrifying sounds in the dark. You braved alien encounter in Tomorrowland. Trolls and fjords, you were sailing on Maelstrom in Norway. From foot to freeway, you were learning the history of transportation on World of Motion. 10 down. Are you proving yourself a true Disney historian? Laugh-In Place and a big drop, that was Splash Mountain. Inside your head with Buzzy, you were watching Cranium Command. Revving engines and stunts galore. You were at Lights, Motors, Action. Veggie Fruit. It was a musical meal at Kitchen Cabaret. Polynesian dancers and fire shows. You were at the Luau Cove Dinner Show. 15 in. Are you still on track or stuck in the past? Fine dining with a view. That was Top of the World at the Contemporary Resort. Backlot facades and city streets. You were walking the streets of America. Body wars and health exhibits. You were exploring the wonders of life at Epcot. Toad Hall and a crazy trip. You were riding Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Ellen, dinos, and giant theaters. You were in the universe of energy. Only 5 left. Time to show if you're an expert or just visiting memory lane. Spinning coasters in Dino Land. That was Primeval World. Granite photos by Spaceship Earth. You were seeing Leave a Legacy. The evil queen around every corner. You were on Snow White's Scary Adventures. Hands-on gadgets and exhibits. You were exploring innovations. 9i and Robin Williams. You were time traveling with the Timekeeper. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know how you did in the comments below. See you real soon for more Disney trivia.